Understanding Recipe Serves, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking and recipes, recipe serves. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or just curious about English culinary terms, this video will help you understand what this phrase means and how it's used. So, let's get started. Recipe serves is a phrase you'll often find at the beginning of a recipe. It tells you how many people the recipe is intended to feed. For example, if a recipe says, serves 4, it means that the food prepared according to the recipe should be enough for 4 people. Understanding this is crucial, especially if you're cooking for more or fewer people than the recipe specifies. One common challenge you might face is adjusting the recipe to serve a different number of people. This is where your math skills come in. If a recipe serves 4 but you need to serve 8, you'll have to double the ingredients. Conversely, if you need to serve just 2, you'll have them. Remember, it's not just about quantity but also about maintaining the balance of flavors. Let's look at some practical examples to better understand this concept. We'll take a simple recipe and see how the serves information can guide us in preparing the dish for different numbers of people. This hands-on approach will help reinforce what we've learned. Even experienced cooks can make mistakes when it comes to servings. We'll go over some common errors, like not adjusting cooking times or temperatures when changing the number of servings. Understanding these pitfalls can help you avoid them and ensure your dish turns out perfectly every time. I hope this video has helped you understand what recipe serves means and how to use this information effectively in your cooking. Remember, cooking is both an art and a science, and understanding terms like this can make your culinary adventures more successful and enjoyable. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.